Austin, Judy Austin, Judy Austin. Your matter don't trend. It don't rain. Many people feel say we bloggers wey be say we dey talk about you, we hate you, da 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 and da. No. We just don't like the decision that you took. Because your decision made another person cry. Because your decision made other people cry. Because your decision hurt other people. And these kind of decisions are not good decisions. And the way you went about that decision and the way you continue to go is what pisses some of us off. That's why we dey talk. Not really because we have personal beef with you, because we have not met in real life. Those of you now when want to take the step where Judy Austin take. I dey do this video the last day of 2024 to let you know some things. Not be bad thing for you to choose say you want to become second wife. After all, not be everybody will be first wife. And there are so many women that like polygamy. So we can't really beat you. But how you they go about this stuff? Una where they are there, where they plan to take decision where you take. Now because of una they make this video. One thing when I want make you learn, be contented. The art of not being contented now it make Judy decide to pursue another person's husband. She had her own husband. We all don't know what happened. But I believe that the energy she's putting into you right now is she puts her for her former marriage for work. Except for domestic violence. Or say your husband turn community prick. Make no can give you disease where go by you. Now he might they support divorce. Apart from that, we Judy never tell us till now say whether her ex-husband na community prick or if they beat her. As far as he not tell us, I go believe say nothing like that happen. So if you are thinking to take the kind of decision that Judy took, please be contented with what you have. Because that thing where you the eye for outside, where you won't go thief so, now another person yo. When you don't put in effort to make a day as a day where your eye they enter, please think twice. It's not good. Say you know they contented with what you get. That one where your eye they enter, so not be so it be before. Now another person they sharp them up. That's one of the mistakes where Judy make. Where cause and waiting in cause and so. Learn to be contented. Number 2, any happiness where you build on top another person, tears, you know they last. Many of una where they support this thing for social media, they feel say, oh, this one, that one. Una feel say all is well. But I tell you, posterity is waiting. That's just the truth. No happiness where they try to build, where go hurt others, where they last, where they did perfectly okay. The happiness where Judy come build on top another person home. It affects many people, not just me, but her children. You know, say the mentality where May children get and say, now Judy and I made their brother buy. That's their mentality. You can't erase it from their head. And that mentality, it not go even affect Judy rich as it go affect her children. The children when she born for Yole Doche, so then go grow. But you see, waiting she do the decision where she take, it go affect her children. Because you see May children and those children, you don't get as it would be. I wish their brother not buy. It would have been easier. But ROIP enter. I'm not saying she was the one who did it. But that's the mentality of those children. Because before she come, that kind of thing not happen. So please, you when they plan to do what you did. It not concern me, I beg. You know me. The man love me. I go take her. My sister, that happiness where you won't build on top another woman tears. Especially when you know say this man don't marry. How far? You sure say you yourself go even they happy? Okay. Because I know say this one where you did now, she's not extremely happy, but just have to put up a facade so that people will be like, oh, but she's not. Now, let's go to the other point. Do not snatch children from their father. Let's take this back to Mr. Obasi. Mr. Obasi came out on this media and cried that since Judy left, he has not set his eyes on their children. This isn't fair to anybody. This isn't. As far as the man is ready to be in the children's life, please let him. No matter what that man do you. No matter what that woman do you. You don't understand me so? Judy not come out one day tell us, say, oh, now waiting Mr. Obasi do will make me take the children from her. This man said he has tried. He don't go human rights. He don't go police. He don't go court. They even they threaten his life. Even make video say, if my children don't buy, maybe not see breed, they come and see their dead body. But nobody answered him. And Nigerians seems to be quiet about this whole stuff. But I believe if it happened to a more wealthy person or famous person, you guys would have reacted. If you are thinking to do what Judy did to Mr. Obasi, please stop it. Don't snatch children from their father. Even if you don't want to marry the man again, let them see their papa. It is very important. The role of a father in a child's life cannot be under-emphasized. Oh, is that English correct? It's not little. Let me put it that way. Please don't snatch children from their father. Okay? And also, taking it back to Yul Edochie, when you marry into a family as a second wife, please don't snatch the man from the children. Don't snatch the man from the children you met in the family. There's a way you will behave as a second wife or as a concubine. The children will begin to feel like you are the reason why their father is not giving them love or paying them attention. If you are coming into a family as a second wife or third wife of the people, make it a point of duty to even unite that family more, which is what Judy is not doing. Because if she intends to do this, she will not be doing all the things that she's doing on social media, knowing fully well that these decisions can affect May's children. And those are the kids she met in the family. And guess what? These children will grow up to be responsible for her own children because those are their baby brothers. Whether they like them or not, Judy never born the children. Don't born them. So please, as a woman, don't enter her come scatter family. Come snatch the father, snatch the man. And every time you want him with you, what about the children that you met? Even if the man don't want to even go, force her. Last but not the least, treat all your children equally. As we all can see, so far so good. Judy not they treat her children equally. The one where she born for Mr. Obasi, the way where she they treat them, not the way where she they treat the one where she born for you. You can see the way she treat the ones she gave birth to for you, as if they are air. She uses them for clout, posts them all the time, but nothing have been heard about the one she betted for Obasi. She's hiding them because she doesn't want their father to know their whereabouts. Is that fair to any child? If I were those children, I would be questioning my mother's intentions towards me. Like, you treat other children better than you treat us. Does it mean you are not proud of us just because you are no longer with our father? Please, I hope you learn from this video. Not be everything there for the insult. Try to take sense. I'll see you in 2020.